Abbott's babbler, Malacocincla abbotti, is a species of bird in the family Pellorneidae. It is widely distributed along the Himalayas in South Asia and extending into the forests of Southeast Asia. They are short-tailed and stout birds which forage in pairs in dense undergrowth close to the ground, and their presence is indicated by their distinctive calls. The adult Abbott's babbler is a nondescript, brown, short-tailed babbler that moves about in the low vegetation, often near streams and in the vicinity of tree ferns and tangled vegetation. The throat is gray-white while the center of the belly is white, and the flanks are olive. The undertail covers are rusty-colored. The sexes are alike. It has a short tail and heavy bill. It is drab olive-brown with bright rusty lower flanks and vent, a grayish-white throat and breast, and variable pale gray supercilium and lores. Juvenile birds have dark rufescent brown crowns and upper parts. The calls are distinctive. The subspecies M.A. Krishnaraju of the eastern Ghats has a darker russet tail and rump than the Himalayan nominate subspecies. Specimens measure 12 to 13 centimeters, 4.7 to 5.1 in length, with a head of 39 to 44 millimeters, 1.5 to 1.7 in, and a tail of 55 to 61 millimeters, 2.2 to 2.4 in South Asia. Abbott's babbler is resident from Nepal to Arunachal Pradesh and the Assam Valley in India, south throughout the South Assam Hills, including Meghalaya, and south through the Lushai Hills. It is also resident in East and South Bangladesh, around Jessore and Khulna, and the eastern Ghats in northeast Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. It occurs up to 600 meters, 2,000 feet, 275 meters, 902 feet in Nepal. It is widely distributed across Southeast Asia. It is common across much of its large range. It is seen in the understory of broadleaved evergreen forest, forest edge, secondary growth, and scrub. In Singapore, they have been noted as being tolerant to disturbance and adapting to secondary growth and disturbed forest. Abbott's babbler was described by the English zoologist Edward Blyth in 1845 and given the binomial name Malacocincla abbotti. The genus name Malacocincla combines the ancient Greek malakos, meaning soft, with modern Latin cinclus, meaning thrush, referring to the bird's full and drooping plumage. The specific name abbotti was chosen by Blyth to honor the specimen collector, Lieutenant Colonel J.R. Abbott, 1811 to 1888, who served in British India as Assistant Commissioner of the Arakan from 1837 to 1845. Blyth erected the new genus Malacocincla for this species, but subsequent workers placed the species in Turdinus and Trichastoma. A revision reinstated its placement in Malacocincla in 1985. A 2001 study confirmed the cohesiveness of the Trichastoma group, but a 2012 study shows that M. abbotti and M. sepiaria are in a clade along with Napathera, while M. cinericeps and M. malacensis fall into a different clade along with the genus Trichastoma and several species of Pellorneium. An isolated population occurs in the Visakhapatnam Ghats, well separated from the nearest main distribution along the Himalayas, and was named after Indian ornithologist K.S.R. Krishna Raju by Dylan Ripley and Bruce Beeler in 1985. The nominate population is from southern Myanmar and extends to southern Tenasserim and northwestern Malaya, including the Langkawi Islands. Several other populations of this widespread species have been named as subspecies, and not all are recognized. The population in the eastern Himalayas from eastern Nepal to Sikkim and Assam was named as Amabal, but is now considered within the nominate subspecies. Others include Altera, central Laos and Annam, Williamsoni, eastern Thailand and northwestern Cambodia, Obscurior, coastal southeastern Thailand, Olivetium, peninsular Thailand and Malaya, Sirens, Borneo, Pulau Mata Siri, and Bawenam, Bawen Island. El charlatán de Abbott, Malacocincla abbotti, es una especie de ave de la familia Pellorneidae. Se distribuye ampliamente a lo largo del Himalaya en el sur de Asia y se extiende a los bosques del sudeste asiático. Son pájaros robustos y de cola corta que se alimentan en parejas en la densa maleza cerca del suelo y su presencia está indicada por sus llamadas distintivas. El charlatán de Abbott adulto es un charlatán anodino, marrón, de cola corta que se mueve en la vegetación baja a menudo cerca de arroyos y en la vecindad de helechos arborescentes y vegetación enmarañada. La garganta es de color blanco grisáceo, mientras que el centro del vientre es blanco y los flancos son de color oliva. Las coberteras inferiores de la cola son de color óxido. Los sexos son iguales. Tiene cola corta y pico pesado. Es de color marrón oliva monótono con flancos inferiores y cloacas de color herrumbre brillante, garganta y pecho de color blanco grisáceo, y supercilio y lores de color gris pálido variable. Las aves juveniles tienen la corona y las partes superiores de color marrón rojizo oscuro. Las llamadas son distintivas. La subespecie M.A. Krishnaraju de Eastern Ghats tiene una cola y una rabadilla rojizas más oscuras que la subespecie nominal del Himalaya. Los especímenes miden de 12 a 13 centímetros, 4,7 a 5,1 pulgadas, de largo. Con una cabeza de 39 a 44 milímetros, 1,5 a 1,7 pulgadas, y una cola de 55 a 61 milímetros, 2,2 a 2,4 pulgadas. Babbler es residente desde Nepal hasta Arunachal Pradesh y el Valle de Assam en India. Al sur a lo largo de las colinas del sur de Assam, incluida Meghalaya y al sur a través de las colinas de Lusai. También reside en el este y el sur de Bangladesh, alrededor de Mysore y Khulna, y los Ghats orientales en el noreste de Andhra Pradesh y Odisha. Ocurre hasta 600 metros, 2000 pies, 275 metros, 902 pies, en Nepal. Está ampliamente distribuido en el sudeste asiático. Es común en gran parte de su amplia gama. Se ve en el sotobosque de bosques siempre verdes de hoja ancha, bordes de bosques, vegetación secundaria y matorrales. En Singapur, se ha observado